Those slavering jaws, that lolling tongue, the rhyme of saliva on his grizzled chops. One beast and only one house in the woods by night. Once he's had his taste of flesh. Once he's had his taste of flesh. Like a creeping wolf on Squirrels crossing, with threadbare pelt he's fucking starving. Pressures bring home meat he's mounting. Pale pound metal now exploding. His ravenous snout on steel sifting, his grey muzzle's clearly quivering. It started with a tail he's devouring, it ended with wicked wolfy cowering. Across the crossing, squirrels are scurrying to whence the ripest nuts are flourishing. But they're here for a game that they're playing. Call the bigger they are, the harder they're slaying. Well, the bigger they are, the harder they're slaying. The bigger they are, the harder they're slaying. Big devour the small, you're assuming. But these bushy-tailed assassins are confounding. Their diversion starves the defenseless squirrel kid crying. Then they pepper wolf with cashews till he's dying. The former nutsack clamps over his head and he's reeling. They plant his fur so he looks appealing. They call him pussy from behind they're penetrating. He's a sheep in wolf's clothing and he's bleating. He's a sheep in wolf's clothing and he's bleating. He's a sheep in wolf's clothing and he's bleating.